What's up, guys? Hi guys, it's me, Richmond of Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox something that is not my usual gadget. It's something that we normally take granted before this pandemic, and right now it's becoming quite a norm. Everybody's trying to sterilize this, sterilize that, and probably you can sterilize your own body, why not? Just to keep the virus out. Now, since everybody's at it, and I know it's quite a hassle to sterilize everything. You just need to put it inside the box, sterilize it for 30 minutes, and take it out again. It's really such a drag. I know that feeling. And today I'm going to show you something that is hassle-free sterilization process. I have here in my hands called the 59S Just UVC Sterilization Package. It's a 3-in-1 gadget that can help you sterilize without putting those things inside the box. Now, why did I say it's a 3-in-1? It says here that it can sterilize the space, this space, the air, and it can also be a lighting. Now, you may be wondering what kind of light this is. Can be a light as well as a UV. Yeah, I was so curious about this one when I received this, and upon opening this one, you can see, these are UV bulbs, UVC bulbs, and this one is the light sensor. Now let me run you down with some of the key specs of this 59S Just UVC Sterilization. So one, it has intelligent disinfection. Then it has disinfect the space. It can also kill germs in the air. It's also ozone-free, can be used without ventilation after sterilization. This is a plus. Then it's safe and worry-free design. Plus, it's also sterilization program can be set in 4 different space sizes. Okay, now with that said and done, why not? Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. So unboxing it, we can see the lamp itself. Okay, taking it out from the box. You can see the lamp itself, it's pretty small. I was expecting something bigger, but yeah, I can grip it with my hands. Well, almost grip it with my hands. Then we have the adapter connected to the electricity if you want a wall mount. Then we have the tops and the screws. Then this is used for wall mounting purpose. Now we have a little package over here where it's used for table mount. Okay, so you can put this on the table, just plug in, and well, that's it. We'll first supply some electricity at the back, so just plug it, simple as that. We have 3 modes at the back, so you either can select auto, ceiling, or table mode. Now you have 3 different choices here, either sterilize for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes. So there's a differentiation. 30 minutes, good for 60 square meter of space. 60 minutes, you can clean up to 8 square meter of space. And 120 minutes, you can clean or sterilize up to 12 square meters of space. Right now, I want to show you the auto mode. So upon turning on the light, a while ago you saw me coming inside the room. It's on auto mode. So whenever it senses there's nobody inside the room, it will sterilize itself for 10 to 20 minutes. Then upon sensing somebody coming into the room, this is the sensor, it will automatically shut down and turn back to white light. Amazing. It's safe for human. It's really something that I expect it to be. Of course, with smart intelligence inside gadgets like this one, I really trust it, and I give my confidence to this one. And right now, let's try to select the ceiling mode. So this ceiling mode, upon turning off, it's off. Upon turning on, it's just on. Now you may be wondering, do I need to climb all the way up there just to press the disinfection button? Well, no. I'll tell you how. Just simultaneously turn it on for 2 times, and right now, when you see it's blinking, it will turn itself to sterilization mode. Just watch. Okay, it keeps on failing because it can sense that I'm in this room, and to keep me safe, it won't turn on. So let me walk out of the room for a while. Okay, so it sends me coming in, and it automatically turns off the lights again, turning off the UV just to make sure that I'm safe again coming into this room. So, and the last mode that I want to show you is the tabletop mode. So, switching it to table mode, then all you need to do is just to press the disinfect. And well, it will do itself the same process again. So when I walk out the room, after a while it will turn to blue, wherein it's disinfection mode. So it depends on what you set on the side. So either it's a 30 minutes, 60 minutes, or 120 minutes sterilization time. And that's it for this awesome 3-in-1 UV lamp. And that's how you use this 59S just UVC sterilization. So, are you amazed with this new technology? Keeping you safe from harm from all those viruses flying around your house, coming inside from anywhere, from just anybody. Well, I suggest this good investment for house, especially the meeting room. You don't know who's coming in. Well, the hardest battle is to fight against the invisible enemy, which are virus and bacteria. Well, with this gadget at home, I feel that I'm safer. And definitely, it's an investment that will give you a safe and healthy family in the long run. I hope you like this video, and I'm Richmond of Gadget Sidekick. I hope to see you on the next one.